If you learn just 3 word endings, you'll instantly know the correct article for hundreds of German nouns. They all use das, no exceptions. Here they are. Words that end in ment, and ma are always neutral, always das. Let's look at a few examples so you can start recognizing the pattern. If it ends in one of these, it's das, no need to think twice. Here's a quick quiz. Say the article before I reveal the answer. If you got them all right, you've already learned something most learners miss. You'll see these endings everywhere, on signs, in books, even in conversations. Start training your brain to spot them and say das automatically. Do you want to learn all the German word patterns like this and stop guessing articles forever? I explain them clearly and quickly in my course on Udemy. Links in the description, check it out. Leave a comment with the German word you always forget the article for. Maybe I'll feature it in the next video. So remember, if it ends in ment, and ma, it's always das. No exceptions. Easy win.